Good afternoon. Right now it's 1:30 p.m. and today is 12th of January 2018. 12 days has passed by of January. Have you made up your mind? Have you made up your mind to change your financial destiny this year? Or if you have not and you're still going through the losses, today only morning I was talking to somebody and he was telling me he did webinar after incurring losses. He said that somebody promised him, in this he some very renowned, you know broker who is supposed to be giving good tips and earning good amount of money. He promised him that pay me 10 lakhs and I will give you back so much of money. So he made that entire 10 lakhs zero. Now he's asking 2 lakhs more. You give me 2 lakhs more and I will earn and give it back to you. Do you think it's possible? This is falling into a vicious circle, a downward spiral. To earn money, you pay more money. You first paid 10 lakhs, that person lost your entire 10 lakhs. He's asking 2 lakhs more, another further losses. What guarantee does he give that these 12 lakhs he will earn for you? I don't think that he will. I mean, one has to be wise enough to stop it right and then and there. Not to fall trap of such people who say that they will earn you money. No one will earn you money. Even if you give me money, I will not be able to earn for you. I can earn for myself. You can earn for yourself. But you can't earn for others. That much I can assure you. Why? Because that sense of responsibility just goes away. When you give your money to somebody else, your hard earned money to someone else, that sense of responsibility is immediately gone away, right? So don't do that. Don't give your hard earned money. Don't give it to anybody. You have to trade yourself, right? The way you are responsible for your kids, the way you are responsible for your job, the way you are responsible for your own life, you have to be responsible for your own money, right? Nobody should take decision on that. When to invest, when not to invest. That choice should be yours, right? And when can you make that right choice? Only when you know about it, right? People are ready to throw away money in the market, but they're not ready to learn. I don't know for what reason. I don't know for what reason. They don't have time, or they are, they have lack of interest. If you have interest in earning money, I'm sure you should have interest in learning as well, right? And so let's start. But I feel very sad every day I hear these stories, and I feel so sad, and I feel somehow, what can I do to comfort you guys? How can I really ensure that you learn and you don't give away your money like this freely to others to waste, right? So this, if you will learn and if you be responsible for your money, it will be respect to your family for their support. It will be respect to your own self, where you will be able to respect your hard earned money, hard work. But if you give it to somebody for quick bucks, I don't think so that's going to happen. Okay, so now let's go on and talk about stocks. Let's go and talk about market. So today is this is Nifty, right? Nifty opened gap up. Let me make it a 1 day graph. From there, it'll be a much more clearer picture. Nifty opened gap up, right? And after that, it has been falling down, almost like a bearish engulfing candle, right? Almost like a bearish engulfing. Let's see how it ends the day. If it becomes a Marubozu candle, means this long tail goes away, then it's a quite good sign that Nifty may come down further. How much will it come down further? Let's talk about that by looking at the option chain. So there are many ways we'll try to figure out the bottom that Nifty has. Okay, let's first do one thing. Let's find out by looking at the graph itself, where could we expect Nifty to come down? So let me make it 15 minutes. We'll go from lower time frame to the higher time frame. So the first stopover that I see here is that will come from the pivot point. Where is it going to come from? The pivot point, right? So let me put the pivot point. That will give me the first stopover here. So this is the first pivot point. So Nifty fell to that point, and then from there it's trying to bounce back, right? Now what could be the scenario? The scenario could be that there is a resistance in the form of pivot point, in the form of 50 moving average. Nifty may, because see, Nifty has been going up very, very aggressively for the past one full month. Rather, I would say 1.5 month, right? When something Nifty has gone, given such a long run up, there is some profit booking is definitely inevitable. It has to happen, right? It has to happen. It is bound to happen. So one can definitely expect some kind of a profit booking coming in. So if Nifty goes up and experiences a resistance and falls, then what will be our first support? First support will be this point, 10,621. If it crosses that, 10,590, and if it crosses that, 10,575. These are going to be our stopovers. Now we go to the Nifty's option chain. Right now Nifty is 10,628. See here, there is a huge call writing happening at 10,700, right? We'll see the dynamics. Right now it's 10,700, right? So that means it's definitely not crossing 10,700. Okay. Now on the bottom side, what is happening? There is a huge put writing happening at this level, but bigger put writing happening at 10,600 level. If you put together all of them, so 58 plus 38, roughly about 9,000, and these are 23 lakhs. This is 58 lakhs 94,000 plus 3 lakhs 89,000. So 58 plus 3, let me just round it off, 59 plus 4, that'll be 63, and this is 23 lakhs and 6 lakhs. So this is a very, very heavy put writing here. So that means the base of Nifty is 10,600 and the ceiling at the top is at 10,700. So from this level, let's see, now we refresh it. We refresh it and see how it has changed. So call writing has gone down a little bit and put writing has also gone down. No, put writing has also increased, right? Put writing has also kind of increased, right? So 10,600 becomes a very, very solid base or support for Nifty. So what can happen? That this 10 moving average may come down. This is 50 moving average. The price may take us resistance from it and fall down. Hmm? Price may take a resistance from it and fall down. That could be a possibility, right? That is a possibility I foresee. All right. So, I mean, looking into it, Nifty do look little weak to me, but how much weak, how much will it go down? We have already discussed. Okay. So, according to me, Nifty should have been down yesterday only, but since I don't know, it didn't happen. It opened gap down today, gap up today, and from there it has been just coming down to filling up this gap, right? It has been just coming down to fill up this gap. It's filled up the gap, went down, and trying to bounce back. Let's see how it bounces back and how much it holds itself. Okay, now what are the trades that we discussed today since morning, right? So some of the trades that we've discussed, before I go on to the trades that I've discussed, let me show you tin plate. Tin plate is one trade that we have given on our Telegram channel, right? We've given it on our Telegram channel. Tin plate, no. Then it must be probably on the, Stock Pro Rockers. If it is not here, tin plate is what we have given on Stock Pro Rocker, right? And see here how it has gone up, how it has been going up so nicely, so beautifully. India Glycol. Look at India Glycol, the flight that it has taken up. All right. And VIP clothings, then we have advanced enzymes, then we have Bombay dyeing, then we have all the trades that we have given you are doing very, very beautifully well. This is Tourist Finance Corporation. See, this is the uptrend that it has taken, right? So, and this is Gati. Gati has also started moving today. So, what I'm trying to tell you here is that basically a good analyst is the one who can, looking at the present, predict the future, right? No one knows what lies ahead. So this is JVL Agro. JVL Agro is also given huge profits. Huge profits till now. It's about 72% in last 10 trading sessions. It's huge. It's huge from any angle, any perspective. This kind of return is huge. You don't get it generally in your life. In real life, you don't get such kind of returns. And as I told you, Goa Carbon, which I said if it crosses its lifetime high, it'll go 10% up at least, minimum. It's already more than 10% up. So these are the run-ups my stocks have given, right? My stocks have given. If you want to learn, if you want to earn this way, if you want to let the stock market be a place where you can be trading peacefully and earning money, then you have to invest in your learning, then you have to learn. So my January webinar has started already. Now the second webinar of January, we're doing only this time that we have two webinars. So the second webinar in January starts from um, 20th or 21st of January. We will confirm that those dates, but that's the benefit of that particular webinar is that you get intraday trading free, right? Intraday techniques free. That is the benefit. That's the benefit of, because February onwards these two will become two different courses. All right, so get ready, get set, and learn. Because you know if you I believe stock market gives you every kind of opportunity, every kind of opportunity, like when the market is going up. So see, today market is going down. Today is market open gap up and then it's heading down. So what members have done, let me show you that. So one of the trade that people have done is Hero Motocorp. This is Hero Motocorp, right? This is Hero Motocorp. See its 15 minutes graph. This is how beautifully it was falling. This was a beautiful downfall it had. Then the other trade they did was Dish TV. Dish TV had this fall, right? So if you understand the direction of market, your trades will never be wrong. Your trades will never be wrong. They will be in the right direction and you will be able to generate money. Okay. So what I'm suggesting, learn and learn from my free videos. Learn from my free videos. You'll get ample knowledge from there itself, right? It's not that if you'll take classes then only you will understand, but you can learn from my free videos itself, right? So but the only promise you have to do is you will not take any tip, you will not listen to people, you will not invest your money on what people have said, right? You will have to trade on your own self. So one thing that I want to reiterate today, and this is for long term, if you want to keep three stocks for long term in your portfolio, those three stocks from my side are BF Utility and JVL Agro, BF Utility, and CDSL, right? These three stocks. CDSL you have to leave for your kids' education, right? You don't have to, trade in it. There are some investments, there are some stocks for trading. This stock is for investing, means leave money and sleep over it. You don't need to check every day what's happening. No, you have to just buy and keep it and forget it. That should be your stance on CDSL, right? So this is one stock that I want to suggest. Another one is BF Utility, right? It's taken a very nice turn. And look at the journey of this particular stock. Let me show you here. From where it has fallen down. Let me make this graph as a monthly graph. Then you will understand. From where it has been falling down, right? If you look into the monthly graph, it has bottomed out stock. It's a bottomed out stock. Now crossing its 50 moving average in a month's time frame, right? Keep it on your portfolio and keep it for your children for the like next 1 year or 2 year. You should just leave it in your portfolio, right? And another one I've told you is an agro stock, which is JVL Agro. This stock will also be the multi-bagger of 2018, right? Keep it in your portfolio. I've been telling you this about from 21, 22 rupees, and this has given within 10 days 72% return. These kind of returns are impossible in any kind of business, any kind of investment, right? And this is not gambling, and this is not sattebaji. This is pure, science and pure technology and pure logic, right? And now I'm giving you another stock today, Aptec. Aptec. I think Aptec is something you can look for. Next 1 month, you can have this stock in your portfolio, right? That is what my suggestion is. Keep Aptec in your portfolio. So let me just quickly once again look at it. Nifty, what's happening in Nifty? And let's see here. So there's a price rejection happening over here. Let's see if it crosses this particular point, 10620, with a red candle and with volumes, then only I will say yes, Nifty is in the downtrend. Okay, so with this, let me sign off. Then we will catch up on Monday. But I'm expecting you all to be there in the webinar, right? Nobody will give you this kind of a equation where you invest money in your learning and we ensure that you earn it back. We ensure that you earn it back. Nobody will do it. Nobody will ever do it, right? Why? People are not confident of what they're teaching. But I'm 100% confident of my teaching, and I'm 100% confident that every single person whom I teach will be able to earn money from the market, right? We show you many trades. Let me just forward one more trade right in front of you, your eyes only. Let me just send one more trade, right? This is another trade that somebody has sent here. See here, I mean, this, I don't know why it's not enhancing, but let me send right away from my phone another trade so that you can see how members are earning. How members are earning, so beautiful trades that are there, that they are doing, and how they are earning. Let me just send it to you. I mean, huge profits, huge profits members are earning, right? This is my recently concluded webinar. It's not a long back webinar. It's a recently concluded webinar where members are earning these kinds of money, right? Let me just forward it to you. I mean, I'll show you, right now I'm forwarding it from my phone. Just see in a second. I hope it comes here. See here. This is the trade that I forwarded right in front of your eyes, right? Read it. How much is the profit? This is 47,895. Closed all my positions. All of my strategies are successful. Thank you, Stock Pro. This is what this member has said, right? And you can see the profits. It's 47,000. I don't know why it's not becoming bigger. You can see it in your own laptop or phone or wherever. It is 47,895. That's what he has earned. This is my latest webinar. Let me just forward you one more trade from my latest webinar so that you can at least see how members are performing. This is another trade. See here. This one. This this is from photo from Stock Pro. This is another trade somebody has done. 4,700 and 2,800. This is how members earn, right? This is how members earn, right? And this is from my latest webinar. This is not my any other, like I'm not talking about the 6 months old webinars or so. These are my latest webinars. This is how people earn, and this is how they've been, everybody is earning, those who have learned from me. So get ready. I want to see you all there. From my side, I'm not leaving any stone unturned. But then finally, you have to make a choice. You have to make a choice. What do you want to do with your life? What do you want to do with your money? That choice you have to make. I can only shout from here that I'm here to teach you. Rest, your choice. You only have to decide. All right. So with this, I'm signing off, but I want to see you all there in my Hindi webinar. Bye bye. Good day. See you. you know how to go. You have to go to my website, and there you have multiple options to contact us. You have multiple options to contact us. You type stockprotraining.com, and in that you go to my, contact us, and you have multiple options that you get here: Telegram, WhatsApp, phone, email. Then you have this chat box. Then you get another chatting opportunity with my team, right? All the possibilities. See here, if you do this, you get to chat with my member, my team, and just log in. They will get back to you. You have to take first step, and then my webinar offers you, the options of paying in the through the credit card, and through the credit card with EMI also, right? You get those options as well. So please take all this opportunity and educate yourself. I'm waiting for you, and I really want to see you there. Bye bye. Good day.